दोस्तों वेलकम to my YouTube videos. I am showing you how to make the cement pot. I need brick towel, I need the sand, I need cement, I need water, a bottle to make the shape of the plant. So now I will show you how we are making the pots for my shop. I have a nursery. It's called City Gardening Store in Bangalore. So let's go and watch how we are making it. I am having a plastic pot and having oil which can be used and non-used, no problem. Just to put a layer all around the pot so that the cement and concrete things not get fixed with the pot. It will be separated while we remove. Once the oil layer is done all over the pot, we will take a cement. The cement with water will mix and put into it. Then put a layer of the cement. The cement mixed with the water. That things we will put one layer of all around the pot. Once it is done, we will put the concrete and sand and the cement, the mixer need to mix very well. That things we are going to put inside the pot. Just keep watching how we are doing this cement layer here. The cement and water mix. That is the mixer. This mixer helps us to give a fine look to the pot from outside. The exterior will be looking so good on the ending while we remove the pot from this pot. Once the cementing is done completely, the cementing work you have to do in the right way. You don't have to put lace cement or something. You have to put a proper layer, so you will be getting a good look to the pots. Okay, now I put these things, the cement and concrete, the sand mix. The concrete things we put inside, but you should not use the single stones, pebbles, anything. No gravels, nothing. Just the pure sand and the cement. The mixer have to add. Now I had put this, so keep watching this how it is being made. To layer it up from inside, and it should look good. It should be properly fixed around the pot. So you need a bottle, a glass bottle you need, which will help you to give a proper shape to the pot. And the brick towel on my left hand. On the right hand you can see the brick towel, and the left hand the bottle. Both the things helps me to shape the pot. I will use thoroughly some water to make it, so it will be helping me. Somewhere some dried cement mixture is there, so it will be loosen up, and again to give the shape I will use some point of some water. So you need now the brick towel to give the ending shape. That could be the last. You don't have any hand other work. You don't have to use fingers. You don't have to use any other tools. Just a simple things. The bottle, glass bottle, brick towel, water, sand, and cement. Simple things those are. Once it is put and made with the cement and all, then leave it for 24 hours just to dry. Not require 24 hours. Until it is dried, we should leave it as it is in a place where it will not get any damage. It should be in a protected proper way. After 24 hours something, we can remove the pot, but after removing we should not use it directly. We need to sink it in the water bottle, or you can either put some cloth, dirty cloth all around the pot and put water. So it should get properly dried and become strong. I have to put a water, more water. Once it is watered and sank in the water, after 2-3 hours I can remove it. I can put in the open area for some time. Once it's dried, I can use it planting the plants and all. For good tips, for ideas, you can subscribe, like, comment to us. You can call me always, I'm there. Myself Ali, and you can contact me at 95355896664. Thank you for watching.